Hi everyone, I'm beyond excited to show you this sleek and innovative reverse osmosis water filter by Mizudo that I was scheduled to give you my review on. I can't wait to show you all of the cool features. Before I do, let me go ahead and show you the unboxing and installation process. We found that everything was nicely packed, so here is the main system, and included are the installation pieces as well as the touch control faucet. So here you see we have the faucet. We have all of the hoses needed and the mounting hardware and installation pieces, and of course your RO filter. Here we have the different replaceable filters. To begin, make sure you drill a hole to place the faucet in. First, we will pinch this clampy piece so that we can fit it into the hole. Next, we went ahead and screwed it on, and then we inserted all of the hoses that are attached to the faucet. Then you give it a nice twist so that it can be nice and steady. Next up, we're going to drill a small hole in this pipe right here. Go ahead and add this foam piece to this plastic right here, and we are going to go ahead and screw that on to cover where the hole is in the pipe. So here we are, screwing it on. Make sure you have it nice and tight, that way it doesn't leak water. Now go ahead and insert the red tube for the wastewater. Make sure to add this blue little clip to tighten the hold. Next, we will go ahead and grab this piece, and we're going to connect it to the water source. Make sure your water is off and tighten it tightly. Once that is done, go ahead and reconnect the line for the water. And now we will connect this white tube right here so that it can have a source of water to the filter system. Once inserted, be sure to add this blue piece again. And now that we have our water source, we can go ahead and connect it to the main RO filtration system. Alright, so we can go ahead and take out these pieces and now insert the connectors. So we'll be attaching these pieces for the pure water, raw water, and the drain water. Once all of them have been attached, we can go ahead and begin inserting the different tubes. For the raw water, we go ahead and connect the white tube, and then of course add the little blue clip. For pure water, we will insert the blue tube and add that security clip as well. Lastly, for the drain water, you will insert the red tube and the blue clip. And we are almost ready to go. So next up, let's go ahead and attach the air outlet. This tube is semi-clear and labeled with the green air outlet label. Be sure to fasten the blue clip here as well. And next up, we have the hot water tube. So go ahead and take that off and include this tube with the red label and add the blue clip. Okay, we are almost ready to go. Go ahead and connect this connection to the line that also comes out from the faucet. So be sure to snug it in nicely and twist it on. And now we can connect. So this is what it looks like when all of the different tubes are connected. So I will insert it underneath my sink in a moment, but just take a look at all of the different tubes. I love that this system features a smart touchscreen faucet where you can quickly check the water temperature and filter status. Before using it, it does have you use water for 900 seconds or about 16 minutes so that it properly filters the water before drinking. So make sure to do that before first time use. I did have it running for that long. I love that it automatically shuts off once those 900 seconds are over. I was able to use that water to water my plants, but here we go. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. Let me go ahead and just show you some of the touchscreen buttons. So you have the lock to have a safety on the hot and warm water, and then you have the ambient for regular room temperature water. Okay? So let me go ahead and show you in a moment just how the water comes out. Just look at that. Next, let me go ahead and show you as the hot water comes out. I find that this Mizudo system just keeps on impressing me. I really appreciate how user-friendly the faucet is. Not only does it tell you the water temperature, but also the TDS level and filter status, which I love, and especially that log feature. I love how fast you can fill up a glass of water, so let's go ahead and talk about that water. The Mizudo system features a 9-stage filtration process, which removes up to 99.99% of contaminants, including heavy metals and chlorine. I find that the taste is incredible. It's nice and clean and fresh. I personally find it to have a nice and pure taste. And when it comes to the hot water, it heats up super quickly. I can adjust the temperature from 104 degrees Fahrenheit up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, which I find is great for making tea, coffee, or even soup. Another neat feature is that the system is designed to be energy efficient, so it's meant to use up to less than 70% of water and electricity compared to traditional devices. This system has a self-cleaning 9-stage RO filter that is meant to last up to 3 years, which I find to be quite impressive. I have been really impressed with how easy it was to set up, how much space it has saved in my kitchen, the touchscreen aspect of the faucet. So just a quick recap of this awesome Mizudo reverse osmosis water filter. I find that it's a great all-in-one system that can give you hot purified water as well with its 9-stage filtration system. I love that the faucet can rotate in case you want to serve it in a different direction. I have absolutely loved using it. I hope you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching.